Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Easy Food and Adventure. Hope everyone doing fine, following home quarantine and self-isolation. Today let me introduce by myself, Ronnie. I'm really specialized on South Asian foods. Now if you really love Indian and Bangladeshi curry, if you are a curry lover, then you should follow my channel. So what you need to do, please subscribe my channel if you want to get all the update. So my channel is basically not only for specialist things on food, but also day by day I will try to, if you are adventure lover, if you love to know in so many different cultural things, then you should follow my channel as well. I promise I will upload a lot of new videos from so many different countries. So let me say something today. I'm really sick of eating curry, guys. So now I need a different food. So although you guys know, like, we can't go to the restaurant these days now for the lockdown. So I decided, so I will cook Thai food tonight for my dinner. So what I'm gonna cook today is, if you see, like, this is basil and chili, so we can say, and beef. So the thing I can say, like, Thai, beef, chili and basil. So let's go ahead. But before that, please, I'm saying, like, please follow my video watch the video from start to the end, so that you can make food by yourself as well. So I'm just going to share how I'm gonna cook. So let's do it. Thank you. So to making Thai beef chili and basil, I take about half kilo of beef meat, and red Thai chili, and basil, ginger, and garlic. So what I'm gonna do now, I need to boil this meat. So this is raw meat, so I have to boil it, I have to cook it really. So here I already boiled some water. So what I'm gonna do now, I put the beef into the water. So the water is boiling, you can see, and my I just washed the meat. So I'm gonna put this meat onto the boiling water, and I put a half piece of onion and 2 slices of ginger. So that's just gives like a little bit of flavor. And then I'm just covered the dish. I will cover the pot and boil the meat, just cook the meat. So let it cook. Viewers, so Thai chili basil beef. So let me show one more time the ingredients. Obviously the basil, ginger, and garlic, Thai red chili, soy sauce, and Worcester sauce. So what I'm gonna do now, to make it ready. So as you know, the meat is boiling up there. So since the meat is going to be ready, so by this time I'm gonna slice this garlic. So just slice them. So here you go, the garlic is ready. Now I'm gonna put it back over here. Now the ginger, that's it. The chili. So let's see how we cut the chili for the Thai So if we cut the chili like this, it looks beautiful. There's two other ingredients I forgot to tell before I forget. I'm just telling you we need salt and also the sugar. So now the sugar I'm just melting with the water. I'm putting 2 spoon of sugar and then let it mix with the water, because if you put the whole sugar directly onto the meat fry, then it might be it will take time to be melted. So I'm just trying to make it syrup, sugar syrup. And cooking oil. Well, the beef looks like it's already done, so we just it's pretty much half cooked, so it's done. So what are you gonna do, if you really if you wanna less fat, then you can chuck the water right away now, or if you wanna keep the fat inside the meat, then let this water to be cooled down. By this time all the fat will be back to the meat, so it's up to you. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna chuck the water out and then slice the meat, let the meat cool down and then slice the meat. All right, so let's do it. Viewers, so I drained the water, I chucked the water out. Now the meat is getting a bit cold, so I'm gonna chop them up. I'm gonna slice them nicely. So let me slice the meat. So we have to slice very nicely. We have to make as thin as we can. So have a look, the slice of the meat. So this is really thick, really thin actually. So you have to make it really thinner. So nicely, very thin. If I ask the camera to close down, then you can see like how thin I'm making. So that's how you have to cut the meat, chop the meat. So chop, and then ready to cook. Viewers, you can see like my beef is ready. I just sliced them very nicely. So this is the slice. You can see every single slice is very thin. So that's how I just cut them. So this is ready, and my ingredients also ready. So all the ingredients are ready. So now it's time for cooking Thai beef with chili and basil. Let's go. So pan is hot, so I'm gonna put some cooking oil on the pan. That's it. So let this oil to be hot. Okay, so oil is ready now. Let's put some garlic. Ginger. We have to fry this ginger and garlic until it's getting golden color, viewers. So we can say it's getting nearly golden color, if you can see it. So in this stage we're gonna add little bit of salt and the chili. So it's getting really golden color. As you can see, it looks beautiful. In this stage we're gonna add the chili. So Thai chili, and then I'm gonna put some salt. Put some salt. Now I'm gonna add the beef. So I just mixed. So now I'm gonna add soy sauce, about 2-3 teaspoon. That's it. And then Worcester sauce, 2 teaspoons. All right. It's nearly done. It's too easy, viewers. Very easy. Now I'm gonna add the sugar. So this is the sugar syrup. I was already made it before. Oh, nearly done, guys. Looks yum. And trust me, the flavor. Oh, I'm already hungry. So now in this stage I'm gonna add the basil, which is really main ingredients for this one. So I'm just add the basil and mix with the meat. Well, viewers, Thai beef with chili and basil. So this is the dish. You can see it's ready. So just wait for me. I just take some on my plate with my dinner, and I will tell you how they taste very soon. Viewers, hungry? I am hungry. So my Thai beef with chili and basil ready to eat now. I'm so hungry. So let's start. I will let you know how it's tastes, and you guys definitely cook it and let me know in the comments like if it is really tasty and if it is not. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and stay safe, stay quarantined, and eat a lot of different, try to learn a lot of different type of foods. See you then. Let me try.
Yum.
Hmm. It's so yum. I'm feeling right now I'm in a Thai restaurant having delicious Thai beef chili and basil. So guys, see you soon with some other kind of foods very soon.